Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install Notion on your computer quickly and easily. By the time we're done, you'll have Notion set up and ready to use right on your desktop, so you can start organizing your project's notes or anything else in one smooth, powerful app. Let's jump straight in and get Notion working for you. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Notion.com desktop. Typing this directly into your browser's address bar will make sure you get to the official Notion download page, which is important for both security and finding the latest version. If you're ever unsure about a website, taking a second to double-check the address is always a good idea. Once you're on the page, you'll notice it's designed to make downloading Notion really simple, no matter what system you're using. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, you'll see a big button labeled Download for Windows. Go ahead and click that. Notion will start downloading an installation file, which is usually a small file and shouldn't take too long, maybe a minute or two depending on your internet speed. One thing to keep in mind: when you're downloading software, sometimes your browser will ask where to save the file, while other times it'll just go straight to your Downloads folder. If you can't find it right away, don't stress. Just check in the Downloads location and it'll probably be right there. Alternatively, if you prefer using the Microsoft Store for installing apps, you'll notice there's an option for that as well. This is handy if you like to keep all your apps managed through Microsoft, or if you just find it easier. Clicking that will open the Microsoft Store app, where you can hit Get to start the installation. It's entirely up to your preference. They both get you the same version of Notion in the end. Maybe you're working on a Mac instead, that's just as easy. Right below the Windows download options, you'll spot more download buttons specifically for macOS. Simply choose the one that matches your Mac setup. Again, let the file download. It's a quick process and you'll be ready to move to installation in no time. Once that download is finished, it's time to install. On Windows, just double-click the file you downloaded. Most likely, it's in your Downloads folder. The Notion installer will pop up and guide you through a very straightforward process, usually just a couple of clicks. If you see any security prompts from Windows asking if you're sure about installing, that's totally normal. Just confirm that you want to go ahead. Mac users, yours is just as easy. Open your Downloads folder, double-click the Notion DMG file, and drag the Notion app icon into your Applications folder. That's all there is to it. Sometimes, the first time you try to open a new app, especially on a Mac, you might get a message saying the app was downloaded from the internet. Just hit Open if you're sure you got it from the official site, and you're done. Notion is now installed. That's it. The whole process only takes a few minutes, and you're ready to dive in and start organizing your digital life. Don't worry if something didn't go exactly as shown. Every computer can be just a little bit unique, and you can always go back and try again or ask for help. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or need a bit more help? Leave a comment below. I'm always here to help you out. And if you want more easy tech guides, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your new Notion setup.